Got some hockey right now breaking for Monkey. I got 115-16 Artifacts, 115-16 Trilogy, and 114-15 Trilogy. We'll go Trilogy, then Artifacts. Good luck. Like I said, taking offers on all those teams. If you just want Philly, let me know. I can probably give you a deal on them as well. Want to get those teams sold, guys. Matt Duchene, Rick Nash, Evgeny Kusitsinov out of 199. Decoy, Chris Kunitz, Kyle Turris. Max Pacioretty, Joe Thornton, Curtis Lazar out of 499. Decoy, James Van Riemsdyk, Sergei Bobrovsky. Yzerman, Sagan, Romanov out of 108. Decoy, Nugent Hopkins, Cody Hodgson. Give me 1 minute. After this, I'll do that for you. Giroux, Tarasenko, Sam Reinhart out of 399. Lundqvist, Artis Urbe. Patrick Kane, Antti Niemi. Duncan Keith, jersey swatch for the Blackhawks. Ryan McDonough, Ryan Johansson. Henrik Zetterberg, Eric Carlson. Jersey swatch, there he is, the captain, Sidney Crosby. That's who's taking the cup right there. Parisi and Pecorino. Matt Sundin, Alexander Barkov, Curtis Lazar out of 799. Crystal card, Curtis Lazar out of 399. That's going to be a great series. Phil Kessel, Okposo, and Backstrom. Crawford, Mario Lemieux, Teuvo Teravainen out of 199. Decoy, Galunchuk, and Mike Bossy. He's the one y'all love to hate. Corey Schneider, Nathan McKinnon, Brad Park, defenseman, signature pucks. Love those. Brad Park, signature pucks. Love those cards. Shea Weber, Thomas Hertl. We'll go Artifacts next. Alright, after this I'm going to change those prices for Robert, and then we're gonna get going into Lux. Kerry Leitonen, Decoy, Leitonen out of 125 dual jersey swatch, Bobby Ryan. Morgan Riley, Decoy, Duncan Keith, dual jersey swatch out of 125. Duncan Keith. Roberto Luongo, John Gibson. Artifacts, dual patches, Patrick Elias, Adam Henrique, 14/15. Elias and Henrique. And Jeff Carter. PK Subban, Decoy, Tavares out of 999, Coyle, and Pecorino. Gallagher, Hedman, Decoy, Feel out of 999, and Ryan Kessler. See, I'm a Pens fan. We can't all be bad, right? Everybody sort of likes me here, puts up with me. Thomas Yurko, Decoy, Stamkos out of 999, Kunitz, and Dustin Brown. Nice. Scott Hartnell, Daniel Sedin, Decoy, Shane Prince out of 99, and Landeskog. Thank you, Gracie. I needed that. Henrik Sedin, Decoy, Rookie Redemptions, Anaheim Ducks, number 184. Zdeno Chara and Andre Palat. Oh, did you like it? Nice, man. Good, glad you liked it. Dubinsky, Henrique out of 475. Decoy, Elias Lindholm, Jordan Eberle. Blake Wheeler, Mike Lute out of 664, Decoy, Scheifele, and Duncan Keith. A lot of Duncan Keith throughout all these products. Mike Zibanejad, Brock McGinn out of 599, jersey swatch. Corey Perry, Zymas Grigenson. Pavel Datsyuk, Nikolai Goldblum out of 199, auto. Nikolai Goldblum. Patrick Waugh and Ryan Strome. Oh, nice. Good, man. Glad to hear it. Stamkos, Zdeno Chara, Henrik Samuelsson out of 999, Decoy, and Frederick Anderson. Gretzky, Trouba, Nazem Kadri out of 510, Decoy, Jan Krok. Sedin, Joe Thornton, 47 out of 49, rookie premieres Nick Cousins. Jake Allen. Ray Bourque, John Tavares, PK Subban out of 227, Decoy, and Gustav Nyquist. There you are. Thanks for the order, Monkey. Really appreciate it. Let me get this out of the way, and we'll be up with Lux in just a few